Hello students, this is the video lecture series on account of not-for-profit concern. In today's lecture, you will understand some adjustment for the not-for-profit concern. Before adjustment, we have to remember some signs. Following signs to be remembered for those adjustments where previous year, current year and next year income and expenditures are given. Let's see what are those signs. If outstanding expense and outstanding income is given in current year, then it will be added in the current year income and expense. But if outstanding expense and outstanding income is given for the previous year, then it will be deducted from the amount. Like that only if prepaid expenses are given and pre-received income is given in the current year, then it will be deducted from the amount. But if suppose prepaid expense and pre-received income is given of the previous year, then that amount will be added. Now let's start with the adjustments. Subscription. As you know, subscription is the major income for the not-for-profit concern. This is the regular flow of income and all not-for-profit concern gets subscription every year, and this is their regular income. In this adjustment, receipt and payment account is given for the year ended 31st March 2018. On a receipt side, subscription is given 1,80,000. First adjustment, subscription outstanding for current year was Rs 20,000. Subscription received in advance for 2018 and 19 is Rs 15,000. So here current year outstanding subscription is given and pre-received subscription is given for 2018 and 19. Let's see the effect. In income and expenditure account, credit side, that is income side, first you will record subscription amount which you will get from the receipt and payment account. So here you will write by subscription 1,80,000. Now let's take first adjustment. Subscription outstanding for current year was Rs 20,000. Now outstanding subscription for current year. Outstanding is there and that is for current year. Our sign is plus. So here we will add and we will write outstanding for current year 20,000. The total amount is 2 lakh. The second effect of this will be given in balance sheet asset side. This balance sheet is the current year balance sheet. So in current year balance sheet asset side, we have to record as outstanding subscription 20,000. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for 2018 and 19, that is the next year, is Rs 15,000. This subscription received in advance, this is the pre-received subscription and our sign is minus. Minus pre-received for 2018-19 15,000. So from 2 lakh you have to deduct 15,000 and amount Rs 1,85,000 will be recorded in outer column. Second effect will be given in current year balance sheet liability side as pre-received subscription 15,000. In this adjustment also, the receipt and payment account is given for the year ended 31st March 2018. On a receipt side, subscription amount is given 1,80,000. First adjustment, subscription outstanding for current year was Rs 20,000. Subscription received in advance for 2018-19, that is the next year, is Rs 15,000. Subscription include outstanding of last year Rs 2,000. Let's see the effect. First, in income and expenditure account, credit side, that is income side, first we will record subscription amount. We will write by subscription 1,80,000. Now let's take first adjustment. Subscription outstanding for current year outstanding. Our sign is plus. Therefore we will add and we will write outstanding for current year 20,000. Second effect will be recorded in current year, or we can say closing balance sheet asset side, outstanding subscription 20,000. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for 2018-19, that is the next year, and this subscription is received in advance. Therefore this is the pre-received subscription, and for pre-received our sign is minus, so we will deduct this amount and we will record pre-received for 2018-19 15,000. We have to deduct this 15,000 rupees. Second effect will be given in closing balance sheet or current year balance sheet liability side. We have to write as pre-received subscription 15,000. Third adjustment, subscription include outstanding of last year rupees 2,000. Last year outstanding. Current year outstanding our sign is plus, but last year outstanding our sign is minus. Therefore here from subscription we have to deduct the amount and we have to record outstanding of last year rupees 2,000. So after deducting we have to record amount in outer column, that is 1,83,000. And second effect will be given in the opening balance sheet asset side. In opening balance sheet you have to record outstanding subscription 2,000 rupees. Again in this adjustment subscription amount is given on a receipt side 1,80,000. Adjustment, first subscription outstanding for current year was rupees 20,000. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for 2018-19 is 15,000. Third adjustment, subscription include outstanding of last year rupees 2,000. And fourth adjustment, subscription received in last year for the current year rupees 5,000. The four adjustments are given and we have to apply the sign. Outstanding for current year our sign is plus, outstanding of previous year our sign is minus. Pre-received or prepaid for current year our sign is minus, and pre-received prepaid in last year our sign is plus. So we have to apply this sign for these adjustments. Let's see in income and expenditure account, income side, that is credit side. First we have to record subscription amount and we will write by subscription 1,80,000. First adjustment, subscription outstanding for current year was 20,000. Current year outstanding our sign is plus, so we will add and we will record outstanding for current year 20,000. The total amount will be recorded in inner column only because few more adjustments are there. Second effect will be recorded in closing balance sheet asset side, outstanding subscription 20,000. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for 2018-19, that is the next year, is rupees 15,000. It means subscription received in advance in current year. So here our sign is minus and we will record pre-received for 2018-19 15,000. This 15,000 we have to deduct. So total amount after deducting we have to record in inner column because two more adjustments are there. Second effect will be recorded in closing balance sheet liability side, pre-received subscription 15,000. Now let's take third adjustment. Subscription include outstanding of last year rupees 2,000. Last year outstanding and our sign is minus. So we have to deduct from the subscription and we will record minus outstanding of last year 2000. This last year effect will be given in the opening balance sheet, and you have to prepare opening balance sheet when capital fund amount is not given. But if capital fund amount is given, then there is no need to prepare opening balance sheet. Only you have to assume that you have recorded the amount in opening balance sheet. Fourth adjustment, subscription received in last year for the current year. It means last year it was pre-received, and pre-received or prepaid for current year sign is minus, and for last year our sign is plus. So here in subscription you have to add and you have to record pre-received in last year rupees 5000. So after adding that, you have to record amount in outer column, that is 1,88,000, and the second effect will be recorded in the opening balance sheet because this is the adjustment related to the last year. Therefore, second effect will be recorded in opening balance sheet liability side. There also you will write pre-received subscription 5000 in opening balance sheet liability side. Here you can see opening balance sheet is given. In opening balance sheet liability side, it is given pre-received subscription 4500, and on asset side it is given outstanding subscription rupees 3000. So this is the opening balance sheet, and receipt and payment account is also given. On a receipt side it is recorded to subscription 1,10,000. Now let's see first adjustment. Current year subscription outstanding is 5000 rupees. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for next year rupees 4000. So first we will write the subscription amount 1,10,000 in the income and expenditure account credit side as by subscription. So you will write the amount by subscription 1,10,000. After recording this amount, we have to consider first the opening balance sheet amount of liability and asset side related to the subscription. So let's take first asset side. Here asset side it is recorded in opening balance sheet outstanding subscription 3000. Outstanding of last year, our sign is minus. Therefore, in income from subscription we have to deduct and we will record outstanding of last year 3000. So from 1,10,000 you have to minus or you have to deduct 3000. Amount will be 1,07,000. Now let's take the liability side. There is recorded pre-received subscription 4500. Pre-received of last year, our sign is plus. Therefore, here in subscription you have to add and you have to write pre-received in last year 4500. You have to add this amount. So total amount will be recorded as 1,11,500 in inner column only. Now let's take first adjustment. Current year subscription outstanding is rupees 5000. Current year outstanding, our sign is plus. So in subscription we have to add and we have to write outstanding for current year 5000 rupees, and second effect will be given in closing balance sheet asset side. There you have to record outstanding subscription rupees 5000. Second adjustment, subscription received in advance for next year rupees 4000. This is the pre-received subscription for next year, so our sign is minus. So from subscription we have to deduct, we have to less the amount, so we will write pre-received for next year 4000 rupees. After deducting, the total amount will be recorded in outer column, that is 1,12,500. Second effect will be given in closing balance sheet liability side. We have to write as pre-received subscription 4,000. Till now you have learned that subscription amount is given, and from that last year, next year subscription outstanding or pre-received you have added and you have deducted. But if subscription amount is given for different years, then how to give effect, that you have to learn. Here you can see in a receipt and payment account, receipt side 3 years are given and the difference amount for the subscription is given. So you can see to subscription 2016-17 rupees 3,000, 2017-18 60,000, 2018-19 amount is 1,500. And on the top of the receipt and payment account, you can see this account is given for the year ended 31st March 2018. It means 2017-18 is the current year, and current year amount is 60,000. 16-17 is the last year, and 18-19 is the next year. So how to give effect of this different amount, you will see. First, 2016-17 3,000. This amount is received in current year. This amount is received because last year it was outstanding and therefore it is received in current year. So here first for 2016-17 amount will be recorded in the opening balance sheet asset side, and there you have to record as outstanding subscription 3,000 rupees. In a receipt side, the year is 2017-18 and amount is 60,000. This is the current year, and current year subscription received, that you have to record in income and expenditure account income side, that is credit side, as by subscription 60,000. Again in receipt and payment account receipt side, the year is 2018-19 1,500. It means for next year subscription received in advance, and this effect directly will be recorded in closing balance sheet liability side, and you will record as pre-received subscription 1,500. So here you can see 3 years are given for the subscription. It means this is given on the receipt side. It means the amount is received 2016-17 3,000 received for the last year, and 2017-18 this is the current year amount is received. In 2018-19 that it means the amount is received for the next year. When this type of subscription amount is given, then effect you have to give in opening balance sheet, in income and expenditure account, and in closing balance sheet. In this adjustment, you can see the 3 years subscription amount is given, and receipt and payment account is for the year ended 31st March 2018. It means 2017-18 is the current year, 16-17 is the last year, and 2018-19 is the next year. First adjustment, subscription outstanding for current year was rupees 7,000. Second adjustment, outstanding subscription for 2016-17 was rupees 2,000. Here this information is given in second adjustment that outstanding subscription of last year was rupees 2,000, but you can see in a receipt and payment account receipt side, here is given 2016-17 and amount is 1,500. It means last year subscription amount was outstanding rupees 2,000, but out of 2,000 only 1,500 rupees is received. It means still 500 rupees is outstanding. Let's see first. In income and expenditure account, you have to record current year subscription amount, and we will write as by subscription rupees 80,000. 2018-19, the subscription is received for the next year. It means pre-received subscription. So directly effect will be appear in closing balance sheet, liability side. You have to record as pre-received subscription 3,500. Now let's take second adjustment first. The second adjustment is outstanding subscription for 2016-17 was 2000. Last year 2000 rupees subscription was outstanding, but out of 2000 only 1500 is received. That you can see in the receipt and payment account. The year is given 2016-17 and amount received is 1500. It means 500 rupees is still outstanding, and for that amount you have to record in closing balance sheet asset side. You will record outstanding subscription. Year will be mentioned 2016-17 and amount will be recorded rupees 500. First adjustment, outstanding subscription for current year was rupees 7,000. Current year outstanding, our sign is plus. In income and expenditure account, in subscription you have to add. You will write plus outstanding for current year 7,000. Total amount will be recorded in outer column 87,000. Second effect will be given in closing balance sheet asset side. Outstanding subscription heading is given. Below 2016-17 you have to write the year 2017-18. Amount is 7,000 and total amount 7,500 will be recorded in outer column. In this adjustment also 3 years subscription amount is given. The year end is 31st March 2018. It means 17-18 is the current year, 16-17 is the previous year, and 18-19 is next year. Adjustment number 1. Subscription outstanding for current year was rupees 8,000. Second adjustment, outstanding subscription for 2016-17 was 3,500. Last year the subscription was outstanding rupees 3,500, but here in receipt and payment account, receipt side you can see the subscription amount is received for 2016-17 is 2,500. It means out of 3,500 only 2,500 received. It means 1,000 rupees is still outstanding. Third adjustment, subscription received in advance during last year was rupees 6,000. This is the pre-received. Let's see the effect. So in income and expenditure account, first credit side, that is income side, you will record the amount of current year subscription by subscription rupees 70,000. Then 2018-19 the amount was 4,000. Directly you have to record in closing balance sheet liability side. You will write pre-received subscription 4,000 rupees. Now let's take first second adjustment. Second adjustment says outstanding subscription for 2016-17 was rupees 3,500. Last year 3,500 rupees was outstanding, and in receipt and payment account, receipt side you will get the year 2016-17 and amount received only 2,500. So 1,000 rupees is still outstanding. For that we will give effect in closing balance sheet asset side. We will give heading outstanding subscription. You have to record the year 2016-17 and amount will be recorded 1,000. Now let's check first adjustment. Subscription outstanding for current year was rupees 8,000. Current year outstanding, our sign is plus. So we will write plus outstanding for current year. In income and expenditure account, income side, you have to add in subscription rupees 8,000. Second effect will be given in closing balance sheet. Asset side, outstanding subscription is already written. Below 2016-17, you have to record the year 2017-18 and amount will be recorded 8,000. Total amount will be recorded in outer column, that is 9,000. Now let's check third adjustment. Subscription received in advance during last year was rupees 6,000. Last year pre-received. So last year pre-received, our sign is plus, and that you have to add in subscription. In income and expenditure account, income side, you will add and you will write pre-received in last year rupees 6,000. Total amount rupees 84,000 will be recorded in outer column. So here you have seen the various adjustments related to the subscription with its effect. In next video lecture, you will learn some more adjustment for not-for-profit concern.